Our rival, Lord Malavar, has developed a new fleet killer torpedo. The schematics are on a terminal deep within his fortress on Mustafar. We must acquire them. The fortress is impenetrable to a frontal assault. A subtle infiltration is required. One of you will go in disguised as a low-level droid mechanic.
A role. A challenging, character-driven role. I must have it. To play the mechanic, I must become the mechanic. What is my motivation? A lifetime of thankless toil, a nagging power coupler injury. Yes, I feel it.
I am to be his handler. My mission is to feed lines to a buffoon who believes espionage is a form of improvisational theater.
Your name is Gex. You fix droids. You keep your head down, you speak only when spoken to, and you do not, under any circumstances, draw attention to yourself. He will draw attention to himself. It is his primary function.
Right then, Governor. This here fortress ain't gonna fix itself, is it now? Bit of a mess, this lava.
The stage is set. The air is thick with the smell of industry and dramatic potential.
Authorization code is Epsilon 75.
Hey there, Governor. Name's Kex. Authorization Epsilon. 75. For the glory of the working man.
It worked. The guard accepted his credentials. This is the worst possible outcome, as it will only embolden him.
My people, the downtrodden, the grease-stained, the salt of the galaxy, I am one of them now.
New guy! Fix that one. It's got the spins.
Open the primary access panel. The gyroscopic stabilizer is likely misaligned.
There, little one. It is not your circuits that spin, but your soul. Let us speak of your childhood.
He is attempting to psychoanalyze a pit droid.
It worked. My motivational speech rebooted its core programming.
Astounding. He fixed it by accident. By hitting it. The universe is ridiculous. Malavar is here. Blend in. Look busy, Chorus.
Oh, my aching hydraulics. The tyranny of these 16-hour shifts. Will no one stand up for the little guy?
A mechanic with spirit. I like that. You, come with me. My personal assassin droid needs a tune-up.
Chorus has drawn the attention of the single most dangerous person in the fortress. The mission is a failure.
I've been given a solo. My character work is so compelling, so authentic that the director himself has given me the lead role. This is method acting at its finest.
Chorus, the terminal is right there. Forget the droid. Download the data.
I cannot. A true mechanic never leaves a brother in labor half-serviced. It would be a betrayal of my character's core values.
My apprentice is now improvising on the internal systems of a machine designed for murder.
No, not the red one. That's the primary targeting matrix.
He has scrambled its targeting protocols. It will now attempt to kill everything in the room, including the terminal.
Chuff in hell. This was not in my character's backstory.
The terminal. Smash the terminal onto its power core. It's the only way. It is an awful idea, but it is the only plan Chorus is capable of executing.
The good news? The threat is neutralized. The bad news? The terminal containing the data has been vaporized.
I have the data, and I defeated the droid. My esteem grows. A complete success.
Unreal, Chorus has the data. He has also destroyed a priceless assassin droid, incinerated our rival's command center, and announced our presence to the entire sector. The mission was a success, and the calamity was absolute.